Hey there, music enthusiasts and content creators.
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest tech products.
Today, we have something special for you. The FIFINE Gaming Audio Mixer, a game changer in the world of PC music production.
Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll understand why this is the best PC music production tool on the market.
Alright, let's get started.
The FIFINE Gaming Audio Mixer is designed to elevate your music production, streaming, and content creation to a whole new level. This sleek and modern device is a must-have for anyone serious about audio quality. So, what sets this mixer apart from the competition?
Well, let's dive into its impressive features.
First up, it boasts an XLR microphone interface. This means you can connect a professional-grade microphone to this beauty, resulting in top-notch audio quality.
Individual control is the name of the game. With smooth volume slider faders, you'll have complete control over your microphone, line input, headphones, and line output channels.
It's like having a professional studio at your fingertips.
Mute and monitor buttons on the front make it super easy to use.
No more fumbling around at the back.
These buttons ensure that background noise won't ruin your live broadcasts. But wait, there's more.
The FIFINE Gaming Audio Mixer also supports 4 pre-recorded customized buttons that can be activated at the press of a button.
Save time in post-production and add fun effects to your content. And speaking of fun effects, this mixer offers 6 voice-changing modes and 12 auto-tune options, so you can spice up your voice in a snap.
It adds a unique touch to your setup, and it's not harsh on the eyes. You can even choose between flowing or frozen RGB color rotations.
Now, let's talk about ease of use.
Setting up the FIFINE Gaming Audio Mixer is a breeze. It's plug-and-play compatible with both Mac OS and Windows, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned pros alike. This mixer supports 2 PC settings or audio mixing, so you can physically balance your music, game, or audio settings with ease. It's powered via USB, eliminating the need for extra adapters or power sources.
But let's not forget the most crucial aspect, sound quality.
The FIFINE Gaming Audio Mixer delivers crystal clear audio, making your streams and recordings sound professional and immersive.
So, in conclusion, the FIFINE Gaming Audio Mixer is a game changer in the world of PC music production.
With its XLR microphone interface, individual control, voice-changing modes, and RGB lighting, it's a versatile and user-friendly tool that's perfect for gamers, streamers, and content creators.
That's it for today's review of the FIFINE Gaming Audio Mixer. If you're looking to take your music production and content creation to the next level, this is the product for you. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews of cutting-edge tech products. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.